Thank you to Only Salt for sending me this plastic-free spring salt. What follows is my honest review. Okay, so I've just opened up the package. Let's take our first look. And I have a little container here. I want to pour it out so I can show you the texture. And let's go. Let's see if I can zoom it even more. Yeah, so I think I would, I would definitely define this as a coarse salt. Let me zoom back a little bit. And as for the taste, that's good. It's salty, but like somehow refreshing, which I didn't really expect. Is it crunchy? Yes. Yes, it is crunchy and flavorful. Oh, yeah, I love this. I would put this on pasta, salads. Definitely, I would use it for seasoning. Okay, it says toxin-free, additive-free, microplastic-free. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this. And if you don't want to put it in a salt shaker, I have like a little measuring spoon here. I mean, of course, it's to taste. Do your due diligence. I'm not recommending this amount of salt, but you can just use a little measuring spoon. Okay, that is it for plastic-free spring salt from Only.